Stimulus check. Since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, coronavirus ever-changing variants have kept the whole world on its toes. Recently, the variant Omicron of COVID-19 is spreading rapidly. COVID cases have hit a new record during the last week of December. The spread of Omicron. If we look at the situation optimistically, the symptoms of Omicron are milder. Therefore, there are fewer hospitalizations and deaths. However, quarantines and increasing absences are leading to disruption of supply chains. The spread of new variants is also causing the closure of some schools. The adverse effects are fewer than those of the original strain of COVID we experienced in January 2021. So, the economy is just slightly in less bad condition. In addition to that, almost 62% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated. Despite this, the number of vaccinated individuals catching the virus is quite alarming. According to the report of Johns Hopkins Medicine, some populations are experiencing 1 in 100 breakthrough infection cases. Hesitation regarding lockdown. Federal and state governments seem skeptical in enforcing lockdowns again. However, due to lack of employees at work, as individuals are in quarantine, local shutdowns may start. President Biden does not intend to enforce business shutdowns on a mass level, but low customer demands or lack of employees to cover shifts may automatically lead to the closure of businesses. The unemployment rate might be low and the economy seems strong, but this does not change the fact that many Americans are still struggling to recover from the initial financial crisis. Results of the U.S. Census Survey, held in the first 2 weeks of December 2021, reveal that even more than 25% of Americans struggled to make the ends meet the week before the survey. The fourth stimulus check. Can the residents of the U.S. anticipate another stimulus check to boost the economy? Few lawmakers and advocates are calling for another stimulus payment, fourth stimulus check, or monthly payments through the year 2022. Around 4 million people have signed the petition calling for $2,000 recurring monthly payments for the residents of the U.S. on Change.org. A letter was signed by 21 Democratic U.S. senators last spring, for recommending recurring monthly payments to President Joe Biden. But the analysts of Wall Street think that a fourth stimulus check is highly unlikely. One of the major reasons is the threat of increasing the inflation surge. Notable personalities working in financial networks consider federal stimulus as a cause of inflation. Now that stimulus has ended, inflation and issues of the supply chain will keep moderating. Infusing cash into the economy could result in inflation, which would simply counter the benefits of the stimulus funds. So instead of asking for stimulus checks, let's all hope that businesses remain open. Omicron strain bids adieu and ends soon.